It is a sea day today, and today I'm gonna go capture some video. I'm going to get some breakfast right now because I'm hungry. It is currently 9:13 in the morning, so yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast. Marinated chicken tenders and shrimp cocktail. Braised short ribs. Baked Alaska and Carnival chocolate cake.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Carnival Glory family. Welcome back to our farewell dinner. We all hope that you had a wonderful the last day at sea with us and having a wonderful dinner with us tonight. Tonight, first of all, I would like to take an opportunity to introduce a gentleman and his wonderful team. The team, you don't see them often in front of the house. The team who prepares your meal last 24/7 in the dining room, in the Lido, in the room service. The team prepares more than 15,000 meals a day. Let's hear for our executive chef, Mr. Akner, and his wonderful team. Thank you very much. On behalf of our executive chef and his wonderful team, it was really our pleasure to serve you the last 7 days. We all hope that you enjoy our food as much as we are serving all of you. And this wonderful team, the team who comes from more than 30 different nationalities, the team who serve you the last 24/7, everywhere, all around the ship, in the dining room, in the Lido, in the room service, they have only one question for you before you leave. They all want to know how much you enjoy their service displays. Let's hear from this wonderful team. Thank you very much. I'm sorry, you cannot take them all. On behalf of this wonderful team, it was really our pleasure to serve you last 7 days. We all hope that you enjoy our service too as much as we are serving all of you. In a couple of days when you reach home, you will receive an online survey. Please take a couple of minutes of your time and fill them up. It will be a great feedback for this hard-working team. And for tomorrow, we all wish you a safe and pleasant journey home and wish to see you soon in Carnival Glory or any of our fun ships. And tonight we'd like to say bye to you with our own way, but before that, on behalf of all this wonderful team, thank you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and God bless. Thank you.
This is what your carnival room looks like after you've packed, and it's debarkation day. So there's my bed I made, there's some town animals there, there's me, hello, with my mask on. Even though I don't have a mask on yet, but I will. I'm going to go outside here soon. Here I left some money for my server, my room attendant, so Tio, so I left my towels, that was me again, and then yeah, so everything is clean. I got everything picked up and pretty neat and organized, and my garbage can full of stuff. So anyways, that is the room, what it looks like after you debark. So good morning, Captain Billy J here. Today is debarkation day. I am leaving the ship, boo-hoo. But it's been a great cruise back here in New Orleans. Lovely New Orleans, humidity. Yeah, it's a little gray and cloudy today. Not the greatest day to debark, but that's what it is. So anyways, had a great cruise, and I'm gonna get off the ship and then head back to lovely Pensacola, Florida. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog series. Had a great cruise, solo cruise, different cruise for me, but still had a good time. More fun with people I know, and maybe some group cruises as well too. It's not as much fun when you don't know anybody, and you're an introvert, and it's hard to make friends with people. But made a couple people on the Facebook group, so I encourage you to get on the Facebook group for your cruise, because that's a good way to know some people on the cruise if you're going solo. But otherwise, it's still a good cruise. I still had fun. I'm an introvert, so I like to have fun by myself anyways, too. So, anyways, had a good time. And I will see you guys in the next vlog. Or live show. So, all right. This is Captain Barry J signing off from the Carnival Glory here in New Orleans. So, Debarkation Day. Before I go, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. I appreciate that very much. And again, I will see you guys later. All right. Bye, everyone.